Hey guys, RJ here. So for today, I just want to help you guys out with your AMD Adrenalin software. So some users have reported that they are unable to open this up, so they can't really update their software or anything like that. So first fix that you would want to do is to just try and go to your task manager. Open task manager and search for anything AMD related. So if you see an AMD application, just right click on it and then end task. In addition to this, make sure to also exit first any application that might be interfering with your AMD software. And one of the biggest reports that we have seen is the Epic Games Launcher. It really does affect the AMD software. And also any other third-party apps like the NZXT apps or something like that. But mostly the Epic Games Launcher should work after exiting it. So just exit Task Manager. Try booting up the Adrenalin software again to see if it works. And if not, let's go on to the next step. So the next step would be to go to your run, type this out, percent app data percent. It should open up your app data right here. So make sure you are in local. Just go to app data and then local. And you should find an AMD folder right about here. And once you open the AMD folder, there will be a folder named CN, just the letters C and N. And feel free to delete that since that is the cached files of the application. Once done, feel free to try and open the application again, and it should try and reinstall things or re-download things that is missing, which is the CN folder. And if it's still not working out for you, we can try doing a clean reinstall of the application. So let's just exit that for now. Okay, to go to your clean reinstall, just download the latest software in your case, of course, for your specific driver as well. So once you have downloaded the software, just click on download DDU, which is the display driver uninstaller. Click on reboot into safe mode, and then after that, launch your DDU, and then click on clean and restart. So this pretty much should do a quick and clean reinstall of your drivers, and make sure once that it is all downloaded, try right clicking it and run it as an administrator, and that should help you out, and that should pretty much have it working. And that is pretty much it for the quick fixes. I hope that really helps, and if not, feel free to comment down below on what your issue is. So have a good day ahead.